Alright guys, so until the last time we've learned how to create the GUI through the Pyinstaller designer, and then we implemented the GUI, actually we built Python file through the GUI file, and then we built a small simple program which sends message from text edit to plain text box. Today I'm going to explain how to make the executable file when you are done with completing the programming. So last time from here you had your code. If you double click this code, depends on what your default setting is. It may open up your IntelliJ like framework. Yeah, mine does that like this. Or it could start your program as a program, but we cannot just let me close this one. We cannot just copy and paste this file as a program to the users, because it won't work on their computer if they don't have the Python, or if they don't have whatever the import that we did as a library on our program software. If they don't have that, they cannot execute this one as a program. So today we're gonna build actual exe file. So just open up the command prompt here. We need one program called Pyinstaller. So pip install Pyinstaller. For me, I already had that on my computer system, so it will say it's saying like a requirement already satisfied. But then for you guys, if you guys haven't downloaded before, it will start the download process. And then after you're done, what you want to do is just copy your the directory here, and just cd, and then from here what you want to type in is start with Pyinstaller. This is executing Pyinstaller, and then the next one will be -f. This is same as -1 file, -1 file. I'll do it as -f. What this means is that, like I said, we cannot just distribute this main file as a program to the users, because it won't work on their computer if they don't have Python or other library that you have implemented on the software. However, as you're typing in -f or -1 file, it will include everything into the one program. So this is definitely what you need. And next one, what I'm gonna do here is -- no console. So what this means is when you actually open up without this line of code, you could create the complete executable file, but then there will be this kind of black command prompt on behind, which displays all the debugging processes. If you had inside your program, if you had any print something, that will show up on this console, but I don't want to show that to my users, so that's why I would do no console. And next one will be your Python file's name. If your Python file's name has what I'm gonna do is just main.py, but if your Python file includes any space in between, then what you want to do is main.py. Okay, so alright, let's run this one. Depends on your program size. It may take long time, sometimes it does not. But since our program that we built last time was pretty simple, so it shouldn't take that much of time. Also, other than Pyinstaller, there are many ways to build like a executable file or Python program. I think one of them is cx underscore like a freeze, and then the other one is I forgot the name. But yeah, but none of them wasn't really working fine for me because it actually needs a few lines of code. It wasn't simple as Pyinstaller. So anyway, we're gonna cover the next time maybe, but for today we did Pyinstaller. So it says completed successfully here. Where you can find the file is on the same folder. There's gonna be a dist, and then there's file name here. This type is application, so you just double click it, and then see here. See here, there's the program that we built last time. Let's see the functionality, whether it works good. Hello. All right, so it is working fine, right? Clear. All right. Yeah. So today we tried building executive file of our program. As we move forward, there will be some other complicated program, and then you may need to do more than just Pyinstaller -f dash like no console. But then we'll cover that when those time comes. Okay. All right. I'll upload all the programming like the code on my Git. So you guys are more than welcome to watch that, and just let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay. Thank you.